Alright, so in the entrance of the room, you have a bench here with lots of storage. On the left here, lots of storage space. Enough for like a whole month. There's like a tote bag here. Might be a free tote bag. And then more storage space. Give your lock. And then as you're approaching the bedroom, you got a mirror here. And then your toilet's over on this side. And of course, a bidet. Alright, across from the toilet, you have this vanity area. You get this nice view, worth it, and lots of counter space. Let's see what they have for amenities. Razor, toothbrush, cotton sets, shower cap, and comb. Right, they use Crabtree here. Bottom here, not too much, just a Dyson. So for the shower, you have this shower and bath combo, which I do appreciate. So you might be wondering, oh, why is it straight to the bedroom? Well, if you need some privacy, they have these sliding doors that you can close off. And now you have a full private bathroom. Okay, now the bed area. Got a speaker here, with alarm, wireless charging. Oh, and lots of ports. Unfortunately, it's still USB-A. It'd be cool if it was USB-C. This is a king bed, very large. And then you have a lot of counter space or workspace. And there might be a fridge in here. There is. Oh, whoops. That's the first one I see that opens from the right hand side. Your coffee, tea, mugs, water heater, water boiler, and 2 PJs. They also give you a humidifier and air purifier. And then by the window, you have a nice place to hang out or read a book, whatever. You can turn off the light from the bed. So the best part about this room is definitely the view. You get full 90-degree viewing.
So let us show you around. Mix you a drink, whether you're here for work, or fun, or all of the above. We've got you. Here, all you have to think about is...
The TV here is probably like 50 inches. Very nice. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this whole room. Maybe find something here. Nope. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Would you book this hotel? I would.